Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Berry. Trust you all are good. So today I want to show you how you can make ombre color design cakes. So when you're talking about ombre color, you're referring to, just to give that appearance of one color hue fading into the next. Something like maybe from dark to light, from light to dark. You can also use different colors. You can use different colors to achieve this design. It's not a must that you use the same color, lighter shade, darker shade. No. You can use any color of your choice. The only thing there is that you will not be able to see the edge or the lines where the two colors, are joined together. That's why it's called ombre color, and it's very nice. Somebody that doesn't know will just be like, how did you do this kind of cake, different colors, but I'm not seeing the line. So my people, just watch. If you're interested in this kind of design, just watch. I'm very sure before you finish watching, there are like 3 or 4 videos here that I compiled together. So by the time you finish watching all of them, I'm very sure you'll be able to do your own ombre color confidently. So keep watching, do not skip any. Oh my god, see these 2 colors, very fine, so nice. I like the 2 colors. As you are seeing now, you're not even seeing the lines where the 2 colors joined. You can see that. That's why it's called ombre. Please guys, if you're enjoying this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any question regarding this video, just drop it on the comment section. I'll be glad to attend to you. Are you seeing the technique used on this one? Are you seeing how this one is being done? It's different from other ones. So this is why I brought different types, so that if you're not able to learn the first one, you can be able to learn the second one. If you're not able to do the third one, you can apply the fourth one method. So look at the way this one is done. It's different, like all of them are done different ways, so you just choose your own. You understand? Just choose your own. The main goal is just to get that shaded color. This one is fine too. So whenever you're doing this and you have holes, you just have to fill it back with that particular color that is on that side. So guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just drop it on the comment section. I'll attend to you. Bye bye.